Mbere ya kamiti ya Senate ni andu matanyibeire 20 aria maturaga na ruongoro thutha wa ituika ria mbomu iria yacungireirio ni gikundi kia itoi kia Al-Qaeda miaka 25 mibituku riria ciatuthurire nyumba ya ubarothi wa Amerika Nairobi.
One of my testicles was crushed. So I work in Kenyatta Hospital, and then I was discharged. My people came and they took me home.
The first blast is what I heard. The second blast I did not hear, because we were all pushed one side with my big tummy, and one side of the right side was badly hit. And I remember my colleague telling me that, Lillian, don't wake up, we are dead in Kikamba.
O mundu ari na rugano rwake rwa kuririkana maria mekikire muthenya ucio mugite thenge na ruo rwa mwiri maturaga na irema cia ngoro ta muthuri uyu uria wari mibang'o-ini yake ya o muthenya na thutha wa kuigwa mururumo munene uria eciragia ni wa rithathi acokire kuona utheri munene uria wacokire kumwikira wonje wa muturire wa kwaga uboti wa kuona.
I saw a man run from the scene of the shooting towards the car where I was, just at the intersection between the Moi Avenue and Halslase. And that's when the huge blast went. And from that day, I have never witnessed light of a day again. I became blind.
Kibadi's family member, so he even took me to court. So instead of mourning, I was going to court because of whatever I went through. So I didn't even have time to mourn.
Mayurito ni ruongoro na angi makirira maithori magitariria kigiriko kiao mbere ya kamiti ino mugite gutire murango wa thirikari matari maringaringa na ari mone uteithio inde kuri kuothe mathie ugutire ukorogo na wedi wa kumathikiriria.
The American government only chose or opted to compensate their citizens, the employees, that is both Kenyan citizens who are employees of the embassy that were affected.
Na thutha wa kuthikiriria makaya maya kamiti ino yugite ni igutuma thabari nginya bururi-ini wa Amerika kwaraniria na thirikari iyo niguo kweberia watho uria watumire akenya aria matarutaga wira nyumba-ini ya ubaruthi kwaga kuribo.
But I know we have all your documents. We are going to work, and I'm sure we'll also have town hall meetings, 2 or 3 town hall meetings, so that you can bring in as many as possible. They come and, speak their grievances, and we hear before we move to America.
Ona thirikari ciciere ikigeragia kwethera aria mabutirio mũtino-ini uyu kiboto morite gikundi giki kugeria gucokaniriria andu matanyibeire 5,000 aria gutwekaga magereire ruo ruru niguo angikorwo ni makaribo ngarama makaribanirio mari othe ithenya ria icunje ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Mase wa Arĩa wa Mũrĩithi.